How does climate change affect our world? Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap the sun's heat in our atmosphere, causing an increase in global temperatures. Climate change indicators are a set of parameters that scientists use to track data. And with that data, they're able to forecast how these problems may manifest down the road. But these indicators are directly linked to greenhouse gases in the air. An example is rising temperatures. You can track that over time. Another example might be our glaciers that are melting. You can track that over time. So these indicators are directly tied to greenhouse gas in the air. Climate change impacts are the results of these indicators. And there can be hundreds of impacts from just one indicator. With rising temperatures, we almost get an endless amount of impacts. It can result in increased drought. It can result in wildfires or increased chance of wildfire. It can result in invasive species. It can result in climate migration. It can make places where people live and inhabit, it can make them unlivable. So the impacts from all these indicators, they just multiply and they build upon themselves. It's important to note that lower socioeconomic populations will suffer disproportionately from these impacts. They will have less an ability to adapt or migrate away from these impacted communities, and they will suffer more as a result. Environmental justice is equally as important to consider when examining the overall impact of climate change.